Come get daddy. Come get daddy, Tony. Come get daddy, Tony. Come on, Tony. Come get daddy. Come get daddy. Come on, Tony. Come get daddy. Come get daddy. I ain't even sure what it is. Come get daddy. Come get daddy, Tony. Come on, Tony. Come get daddy. Come get daddy. Come get daddy. Come on. Yeah! Yeah! You got daddy! You got daddy! You got daddy!
Because the salad there is always served with the original Hidden Valley Ranch. Henderson. Up and down.
Come get daddy, Tony. Tony! Tony! Come get daddy, Tony. Come get daddy. Come on. Come get daddy. Tony! Tony!
I was in Milwaukee. I spoke to her.
Tony! Hey, Tony. Come get daddy. Come get daddy, baby. Come get daddy. Come get daddy, Tony. Come get daddy, Tony. Come on, Tony. Come on, Tony. Come on, Tony. This is what Pepsi does to kids. Look at this. He didn't even come to me. It was all illusion. All he wanted was his Pepsi. He came for his Pepsi. He came, he saw, he conquered. Pepsi time! He said, what the fuck? There's no Pepsi there, I'm stopping.
How you doing? I'm 54 years old, up in the Florida